Welcome guys, Betty here with this delicious crustless quiche featured right here on Carblessly Delicious, where tasty low-carb and keto-friendly recipes are uploaded every week, quick and easy to make. Well, let's go guys, are you ready? Meet me in the kitchen. As always, my lovely friends, the list of all the ingredients used in this recipe is provided for you in the description. We're going to start with preheating our oven to 365 degrees and then head right over to the cutting board to start on our bacon. Oh, how I love the smoked hickory flavor that this bacon is going to add to our quiche. You can either cut your bacon in full slices and crumble it into smaller pieces once it's finished cooking, or you can do what you see me doing here. I like to slice my bacon first into the bite-sized pieces that I desire. Either way, you'll get the same results. Then we're going to allow these to cook to a nice crisp. Meanwhile, while our bacon is cooking, let's go back over to the cutting board. Here I'm slicing our veggies. We have our mushrooms that I've trimmed down to smaller bite-sized pieces. So let's go ahead and get these babies into a bowl and we'll set these to the side for now. Next, we have our beautiful baby spinach here. 2 cups should do, guys. Use your discretion based on the amount you desire. There really isn't any specific measurements you have to follow here. However, do keep in mind that spinach will shrink as it cooks. Back to our bacon. Yes, nice and crispy. We can go ahead and start adding in all the other ingredients to combine with these bacon drippings. In goes our diced mushrooms. Here I'm also adding 1 cup of cubed ham chunks. Give everything a good mix, blending all these delicious flavors together and continue to saute until softened. Beautiful! Everything is nicely blended and softened. We can go ahead and add in our baby spinach now, and then we can go ahead and prepare our filling. Beautiful! Everything is nicely blended and softened. We can prepare our filling. In a large bowl, crack 5 large eggs. Pasture-raised eggs are the best eggs to go with, especially if you're on the ketogenic diet. Next, we're going to add 1 full cup of heavy whipping cream. Half and half works well in quiche as well, my friends. We're going to spice up our egg batter with our seasoning here. Garlic and herbs, about 1 tablespoon should be plenty. Half a tablespoon of black pepper. And only 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Not too much on the salt, guys. Keep in mind that you're going to get that salty flavor naturally from your bacon. And that may be all that you need. So use your discretion on this, guys. It's always best to start off with just a little with your seasoning. Do a taste test. And then you can always go back and add more if necessary. Next, we're going to add our filling into our egg mixture. First, we want to drain off all the excess liquid. In goes 1 full cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Guys, you can go with Swiss cheese. Whatever cheese that you prefer will work well with this quiche. Go ahead and mix well. Now we can transfer our filling over into our pie dish. And guys, there are many low carb and keto friendly crust recipes out there if you wanted to add a crust to your quiche. I'm not going that route today. We're going to keep our quiche low carb by going crustless with this one. And maybe I'll do another version of quiche with a low-carb pie crust. Let me know, guys, in the comment if that's something you guys would want to see. And if so, I'll make sure to get another video uploaded for you guys. I'm using pure Kerrygold butter to grease the full surface of our pie dish so our quiche won't stick to the dish. Make sure you cover around the sizes as well, like this here. Transfer the entire filling into the grease pie dish. Press down to make sure all our veggies and meat chunks are evenly distributed throughout the bottom, like this here. In the oven she goes, uncovered at 365 degrees for about 35 to 45 minutes, or until nice and fluffy and fully cooked in the center. You can use a toothpick or a fork to poke in the center to make sure that it comes out dry, and if so, you know she is done. Videos are uploaded every week transforming everyday recipes like this into low-carb sensations, so you won't have to deprive yourselves of the foods that you love. Let's cut a slice so we can take a look at the inside to see how well the filling set in the center. Oh, she looks so delicious, guys. Let's give her a taste test to see what our taste buds have to say about this. Two words, guys, for you. Yummy. Yummy, guys. Give it a try. Continue to eat healthy and be blessed. Until next time, subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload delicious recipes like this. God bless you. Bye.